So wait, how do you make a California omelet? Eggs. 3 of them.
Whisk.
Sliced and diced onions, 1/4 cup of mushrooms, and a tablespoon of, avocado oil. Cheese! Fire! Cheese! Yes, the cheese goes in first. About 1/4 cup. What? That's crazy! 1/4 cup of chopped onions, diced onions. And this is the secret sauce. A few dashes of this stuff. Now the egg goes in. More onions, mushrooms. Oh my God, more cheese. And cover for just about 2 minutes on low heat. And then we slice up a nice avocado. Make sure it's a little soft. Oh. Slice it. Spoon this guy right onto the plate. And it's been about 2 minutes. That's done. I'm going to fold it. All right, once you plate that sucker, take some of this avocado and just, oh yeah. A couple berries and a scoop of Noosa. Noosa. Not a sponsor. Look at that. Now it's time to dig in.